Let f be a function such that f of negative 1 is 3 and f prime of negative 1 is equal to 5. Let g be the function g of x is equal to 1 over x. Let capital F be a function defined as the product of those other two functions. What is capital F prime of negative 1? Well, we can just apply the product rule here. Let me just essentially state the product rule. Capital F prime of x is going to be equal to, since capital F of x is the product of these two functions, we apply the product rule. This is going to be f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. And so if we want to evaluate this at negative 1, capital F prime at negative 1 is equal to f prime of negative 1 times g of negative 1 plus function f evaluated at negative 1 times the derivative of g evaluated at negative 1. Now let's see if we can figure these things out. So do they tell us this anywhere? Can we figure this out? F prime of negative 1. Well, they tell us right over here, f prime of negative 1 is equal to 5. So this is equal to 5. Now, let's actually stick with f. What is f of negative 1? Well, they tell that to us right over here. F of negative 1 is equal to 3. So f of negative 1 is equal to 3. Now, g of negative 1 and g prime of negative 1, they don't give it to us explicitly here, but we could figure it out. We know that, well, if g of x is equal to this, g of negative 1 is equal to 1 over negative 1, which is equal to negative 1. So this is equal to negative 1. And then last but not least, if we want to find g prime of negative 1, we just have to take the derivative of this. So g prime of x, actually let me just rewrite g of x. G of x, 1 over x is just the same thing as x to the negative 1. So we're going to use the power rule to figure out g prime of x is equal to, bring that exponent out front, negative 1 times x to the, and then decrement the exponent, negative 2 power. So g prime of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 times negative 1 to the negative 2 power. And that's just the same thing as negative 1 over negative 1 squared. This is 1, so this is just all going to evaluate to negative 1. So this is negative 1. And so we have 5 times negative 1, which is negative 5, plus 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3, which is equal to negative 8. So f prime of negative 1 is equal to negative 8.